How to replace a Human Touch PC-600, PC-610, or PC Pro ARM core. You will need a 3/16-inch Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, unplug the chair. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the arm cap to the chair. Remove the arm cap from the chair. Now, use a 3/16-inch Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws and washers that secure the arm core to the chair. Tip the arm core upside down. If you are replacing a right-hand arm core, disconnect the connectors and remove the arm core from the chair. Otherwise, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the controller housing to the arm core. Pull the housing away from the arm core, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the lower housing. Note that these 3 screws are a different size than the 2 screws you removed in the previous step. Be sure not to mix them up. Remove the lower housing to expose the PCB. Holding the PCB by the edges, lift it, then pull the recline control knob out of the housing. Flip the PCB over, then disconnect the 2 small connectors. Pull the armrest cable out of the arm core, then remove the arm core from the chair. If you are installing a right-hand arm core, connect the new arm core connector to the corresponding connector from the chair arm. Otherwise, fish the left-hand armrest cable through the slot in the new arm core from back to front. Next, connect the shorter cables connector to the PCB port closest to the edge, then connect the longer cables connector to the port closest to the recline controller knob. Now, insert the recline controller knob through the hole in the upper controller housing, then place the PCB into position inside the housing. Make sure the PCB is level inside the housing. Install the large cable strain relief in the large housing slot and the 2 smaller cables in the smaller slots, so the cables don't get pinched when replacing the lower housing. Place the lower housing into position, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Make sure you are using the same screws you previously removed. Align the housing inside the cavity on the underside of the arm core, then replace the 2 screws to secure it. Tuck the cable up into the arm core cavity, out of the way, then place the arm core into position, flush with the top of the chair arm. Now, install and hand tighten the 4 screws and washers that secure the arm core to the chair. Use a 3/16" Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Place the recline controller housing into position, centered over the recline controller knob. If the chair has a control panel, place that into position centered above the chair arm. Now, place the arm cap into position on top of the arm core, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Make sure the recline controller housing and control panel stay in the proper place while installing and securing the arm cap. Finally, plug in the chair, then confirm that the chair is working properly.